Hi, I'm Marci, and I have been a CareCredit card holder for 8 years. Ever since I was a kid, I was born premature, so I had 2 teeth that did not develop underneath my baby teeth. So when they fell out, I had gaps, and it was really challenging to eat. It's very frustrating. And so when I had to get some bridges put in, 2 of them on both sides, it was very expensive. I was so grateful that my dentist told me about CareCredit. It helped me so much. I got to get my dentures. They're perfect. I eat right. I can eat anything, obviously. I kind of have to remember now that I didn't have my teeth because I can eat anything I want and it's awesome. CareCredit made my life easy, more affordable. I can get things done when I need them done and pay back slowly, exactly how I want. I love it. Thank you, CareCredit, for helping me get my smile back.